Hi, I'm Matthew Gotkin and I'm here for the TY Chinese workshop. Let's see what it's like.
I'm here interviewing Cara from Wrong O'Neill. How did you find the Chinese workshop?
I really enjoyed it. I thought it'd be really beneficial for like just future when if I'm ever in China and that kind of stuff.
What was your favourite part of it?
I love doing the artsy kind of stuff because it's just really fun, and I liked cutting out the pandas too.
Would you recommend it to future year groups?
Yeah, definitely. Cause I think it's good to see like what other cultures are like as well, because it's very different to what we do every day. So yeah.
Do you
We got a break earlier. No, we got a late.
I'm here with Ben Fraser from Wrong O'Neill. So Ben, what was your favourite part about today?
My favourite part about today was Tai Chi because it was very enjoyable and very active.
What was the 4 things you did today?
So first off we did singing Jingle Bells in Chinese, then we did some paper cutting, painting, and then moved on to Tai Chi.
So now, our good friend Ben and Chris are going to give us a good example of what Tai Chi is.
What did you do with the students today?
We have 4 workshops today, and I'm responsible for the folk music.
And I'm responsible for paper cutting.
Do you think it helps the students in any way?
Yeah, I prepared 2 songs today. The first one is Chinese version of Jingle Bells, and the next one is 恭喜发财, a traditional Chinese song. And I think they all have learned how to sing Jingle Bells. Yeah.
And I think most students enjoyed Chinese paper cutting, and everyone want to make the paper cutting of pandas. Yeah, they seem to like panda very much.
Did you enjoy teaching the students?
Yeah, I'm really enjoy with students in the class, but I have 4 workshops today, so a little tiring. My throat is a little uncomfortable. Yeah.
And most of my students are nice today.
This has been the RC News Report on the TY Chinese Workshop.
Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.